So I've arrived. I'm in Vermont. I've settled in. Well, I'm looking at things. I wouldn't say I've quite settled in yet. Just going down to the headland. This is our this is usually overgrown actually, but someone has cut it back, which is amazing because the view is sensational and it's, it's private for the house, and so no one else comes here. But it's so great to be back in Sark. How much I've missed this place, I can't even tell you. It's been 3 years since I've been here. And I missed my grandfather's funeral 2 years ago because I was in Mongolia and the rest of the family came and I wasn't there, which was very sad for me. So I sort of feel like I'm here to make peace with him. This is the view from the headland. So yeah, this is going to be my home for the next 6 or 8 weeks. I believe this is going to be my bedroom. Bed there. Again, it's absolutely spectacular view. And this is a very special house, as I've been here nearly every year of my life, as have my parents, my mum, and stayed in all these rooms in some way or another. But there's a lot of changes going on in the house now, as you can see. Lots of redecorating and redesigning. But I have great memories in all of these rooms in one way or another, from being a child here, living with my brother, my cousins. This through here is my grandparents' room. And it's now been redecorated with this new extension here. We've got a sort of desk up there. And then through here is the new extension. I'm not sure if this is going to be a sort of sitting room or a bedroom, but at the minute it's kind of filled with stuff. But just being out here, being able to look out at that, I've missed this place a lot and it's great to be back here. Let's see what else we have. What's going to be up here? I don't think I've ever been up here in my entire life. This is my grandparents' space, and I believe that is my grandfather's desk, as he was an architect. This is the kitchen. My granny has got me a food delivery, as you can see, which is very, very sweet of her, as I have to now stay here for 2 weeks. So she's got me lots of things to get set up. Some instructions there I think I'm gonna have to read. This is the view from the kitchen. Let's see how I can open this. As you can see, absolutely stunning view. Best not to look in there. It's daddy long legs and babies. Jesus. I have to say, one of the things I love about this house is just how much history there is, and going through the cupboards you find some brilliant things. Sun-dried tomatoes, 2000. 2008. Rose's Lime Marmalade, 2003. Blackberry Jam, 2011. What else have we got on here? I mean, I looked at the top fell off this. I don't know. I don't even know what that is. And we've got Blackberry Jelly from 1997. Just the year after I was born. Salsa Dip. I'm gonna say that looks very old. And again, December 97. Year after I was born. Guernsey Honey, which has gone dark. They say you can find honey in the tombs of the pharaohs that's okay to eat. That might give it a run for its money. What have we got here? 2010, relatively new in comparison to the others. Plum Jam, 2009. Whoa. I don't even know what this is. It was 65p, whatever it was. No label. Brilliant. I always love this TV. Coming here as a little boy, we didn't have a TV at first or Wi-Fi or anything like that, of course. And then we got this, and it was just for VHSs, and then we got a DVD player, which was quite the excitement. We've still got all of those old VHSs, and you know, it wasn't connected to cable or anything for a number of years, and we just watched the Aristocats. I've seen that exact copy. I can't even tell you how many times I've watched. Let's see if there's any date on here of when it would be made. Sadly not. But, I mean, I'm talking, it's got to be at least 20 years, if not older. Probably older. This is the pool. As you can see, it's not doing so well. But it's been, I mean, 2 years at least since anyone's been here. So obviously it hasn't been used or cleaned. But we spent so much time here when we were kids playing here. And that might be one of my jobs while I'm here, to try and clean this up. Maybe remove some of the moss and the weeds from these tiles. Just clean it up for the rest of the family if they come later in the summer, which I'm hoping they will. But looks like it's probably going to need a lot of chemicals shipped over, maybe from Guernsey. I don't actually know how much we have to do here. But, I mean, look at a spot for a swimming pool. Just look at this view. It's just insane. (1978). Royal visit.